welcome to Susan's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm doing a delicious, simple pork tenderloin. Thanks for joining me. Okay folks, seriously, this could not be any easier. And let me tell you, it could not be any more delicious. This is hands down the best pork tenderloin I've ever made. My family loves it. After I made this the first time, they said, please make it that way from now on. All the ingredients are here. It really is as simple as you see. Okay, the first thing, I'm going to spray the bottom of my 9x13 dish so that hopefully the tenderloin doesn't stick. Okay, there's the tenderloin. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just a little bit, just the tiniest bit, regular spoon here, maybe half a spoonful of Better Than Bouillon chicken flavor. The chicken is a nice mild flavor. It gives it the salt that I want it to have. Next, some of the dried chopped onions that I like to use, and I'm just going to sprinkle those lightly over it and into the bottom of the pan so that it will blend with the juices and help to flavor the whole pork tenderloin. Okay, next, some pepper. And I just grind pepper over the pork loin. Last ingredient, a little bit of water. And I always pour that over the bouillon and give it a little stir to help it dissolve immediately. That was about 2/3 of a cup of water. Final thing, I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. And fasten it down tightly. And then into the oven this will go to cook until it reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle of the pork loin. I will let this cook at least an hour just because of the fact that it is still icy on the inside. I want to make sure I get the pork completely cooked. So into the oven this will go. I have the oven at 350. I'll see you back in about an hour to check the pork tenderloin with a meat thermometer to make sure that it has cooked completely through. Okay, so the pork tenderloin has been cooking for just over an hour now at 350. Let's take a look. Nice and steamy. I made sure to open it away from myself so that I didn't get all that steam in my face. Let me flip it around. It is starting to come apart and pull apart, so it might be done. Let me grab my instant read thermometer and we'll find out. Okay, now I'm going to insert this. This looks like the thickest part here, so I'm going to just push this down. Okay, it's stopping just shy of 150, so that means it is not finished cooking yet. Probably the center where the ice crystals were still in there hasn't quite cooked yet. So I'm going to leave the foil off, pop this back in the oven at 350 for another 15 minutes, and then I'll check it again. Wow, okay, it's getting brown, it's sizzling, it smells fantastic. Let's check the temperature and see if it is cooked all the way through. So again, this is the largest part. Turn it so I can read it. Okay, it's creeping up to 160. I have checked the temperature in several different places. It is at least 165 and above throughout. So I'm going to cover it with the foil and just let it sit until it is time to eat. At that point, I will slice it. I don't know what it is about just these few simple ingredients, but it really brings that pork flavor out. It's so delicious, tender, and everything that you could want out of a pork tenderloin. As always, the full recipe is in the description box below the video. Please be sure and check that out. While you're there, if you enjoyed today's video, please do give it a big thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please do so, and ring the notification bell so that you find out every time I upload a new video to YouTube. Thanks for watching. God bless.